Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Some Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. This episode we're going to be talking about Bitcoin at resistance. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay, have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, whenever the stream is on, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. How's it going, guys? Happy Tuesday. Hope you're all having a great time. Let me try out this here link for invitational purposes. How's everyone doing, man? Let me know. Hope you're having a great day so far. BL, thank you for being here. Carrie, thank you for being here. Andrew, and preparing for war. Yo, what's up, guys? Thank you all for being here. Part of this awesome crypto community. Let's get rolling, right? Let's go look at market cap. So what is happening on market cap? We are trying to get above that $2 trillion mark. We are struggling. So crypto in general is at a resistance level as well. Sitting at 1.998 trillion, almost a $2 trillion mark. We do got to get above that area for us to be able to keep on pushing higher, high more. Then what is happening with Bitcoin, right? So let's go here on the daily real quick on market cap again. We're struggling, right? Trying to break above that area at resistance. Like I said, bullish divergence still in play, trying to get us above that $2 trillion. Like we said, we could reach that target and then see if we can get above. That's still a target. If we do get above that area, we're looking at 2.15 trillion. Otherwise, rejection of this zone, we're looking at a potential support at 1.95 trillion. And then if we break farther down from there, $1.75 trillion. That's our targets for crypto. Bitcoin, 42,523. Man, it's struggling. It's trying to go up, but it's struggling, right? It's taking some effort for Bitcoin to try to rally. We did get a nice day yesterday, 2.13% to the upside. Not bad considering the days that we have been getting, which were a little bit of rubbish. But as you can tell here when we zoom in, we are getting some action to the upside, right? We're getting that slight move up, going for that $42,996 mark and rejecting it not once, but twice right now. So like I said, I did post this picture in Discord. I said we're at resistance, and that is the title of the stream. We're out of resistance. We need to break this area for us to be able to go higher. Bullish divergence still in play. It's strong bullish. We should be looking for a break of this zone. Hopefully, otherwise, I mean, this could be considered sort of upslope consolidation after they pulls down. Could lead to more action downside if we're not strong enough to get above target at 40,996. You know, moving down, we could aim for support again at 40,997. Otherwise, we could be looking for a drop to 39,291. Those would be targets for Bitcoin. There's nothing bearish in play. Bullish divergence there. About to get across to the MACD and the signal line. And this could be the cross that gets us to go higher, right? Look, sometimes we get these crosses here that don't really do a lot, right? And then all of a sudden we get the cross that happen here. And we do get the boom action to the upside and the large move here, right, on the MACD. So hopefully this could be the cross that's going to get us to play to the upside, right? Now, before I do something else, I'm going to bring here the 200 daily. It's going to look really, really weird. I just want to see where we're at with regards to that area. And I'm going to make this larger. The thing is, we're spreading out the Bollinger Bands, right? That's why it looks really weird. That Bollinger Bands is at 48,380. So we do got to pump about $6,000 almost from where we're at for us to be able to get above the 200 moving average. You got a bearish turf. Otherwise, hey, hello, we're still in bearish turf. Remember, even action to the downside or downsloping moves or bear trends have pumps, right? Even when we're in a bear trend, there's pumps. Just like when we're in an uptrend, there's pullbacks, right? And movements back down. So, again, we don't know yet what we're going to be sitting at here shortly. But again, right now, we're not doing that bad. So, moving average back in play. Let's here auto adjust, and there we go. Like I said, resistant, right? Let's go back to our chart, the one we usually been looking at for Bitcoin. Let's see what we have going on here. Again, bullish divergence trying to rally. That is it here. Neutral, sold at 34.75. We still got to get back up to the neutral zone. Let's go to the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. On the 4-hour chart, what are we doing? 4-hour chart, we have a slightly higher move here. They're slightly more positive momentum, right? And we are dipping a bit more. I just keep that in mind. And then we're dipping a bit more here. I'm going to zoom in just to catch this. But yes, look, strong bearish. Man, we really need to get a rally going on here. Otherwise, strong bearish divergence could take over, get us to move back down and expand the Bollinger Bands to the downside. Remember I told you we were tightening the Bollinger Bands a couple days ago? Got to get that move to come in. And if we fail to go higher and expand the Bollinger Bands to the upside and make more positive momentum, this divergence could really come in and really start to move us down. Any movement higher would also have us re-anchor or reposition this from a high point to a lower point on the price. And also going from lower point to a higher point on the MACD, still creating that hidden divergence, right? We don't have that bearish divergence against the RSI. It's just against the MACD, and it's really easy for Bitcoin to shake it off. It just needs to pump a bit more. That is it. Let's go with that bearish divergence, right? Which is strong bearish. Again, potential for moving down. 20 moving average to target. 41,178. Breaking below that area, we're looking for 40,626 on this chart. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour chart, look, we had the hidden divergence yesterday. We're looking at it here. Yeah, there we go. Hidden divergence. Dropped a bit, hit the 20, slightly broke below 20. Didn't create anything bullish, right? Low on the price, higher low. Negative momentum, less negative momentum, and a low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. So everything's going higher. There's nothing bullish going on here. We're starting to get that reversal still happening. Getting above the 20. Very nice candle at 10 in the morning. Getting us almost here to the top part at 2 p.m., which is when we're topping that resistance on the other chart. And right since then, we've just been flagging and moving sideways a little bit. Now the question is, do we have divergence? And I would have to zoom in here to the MACD to check it out, but we'll see. 111.81, and then here we're at 106.68, right? So high to low on the 1 hour chart. Vegas, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for the follow on the Twitch. Here we go, right? Bearish divergence, action downside, right? Strong bearish. It is getting us to move sideways right now. We could be going for that 20 moving average, 40,354. Now the question is, what are we going to do once we get to that 20? When we get to a 20 moving average, we're still going to be higher than the previous low. We're probably going to be making less of that negative momentum. So we're not going to have anything here bullish going on, unfortunately, to try to get us to help rally. Right now, sitting neutral 55.53. And again, trying to see what's going to happen here. What's up? Nice upgrades. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for joining us. Anyways, bearishness, potentially moving down. Let's go check out something else. Let's go check out Ethereum, right? Ethereum 3,230. On Ethereum, again, broke back down yesterday. Very nice day, pumping 5.18%, recovering some of that loss, 3,230. Getting above some resistances here, particularly this one here, fever retracement. I think it's a 50% retrace. It's either that or this line here, 3,158. I think it might be that line in 300. Let's see. Here, 3,200. No, it's a fever retracement. It's 236. 236 or let's zoom out here. No, 382. Sorry, we're getting above. 382 fever retracement. It should be aiming for the 50% retrace or even 3,324. Double resistance overhead. So let's see if Ethereum can get back up there. Particularly Bitcoin pumps a little bit. I think Ethereum is going to try to catch up and get rid of some of the suffering too, because Ethereum did really take a beating on the downwards trend, right? So again, there's nothing going on here that is bullish. Sold at 35.71. Let's go to that 4 hour chart, man. Again, bullish divergence right on the 4 hour. We called it out last night. Yesterday, we're getting this rally. Boom. Still continuation after getting that 20. Still continuation after getting above 3,158. Again, target that we got above. Very nice. Should be going for 3,324. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. There's really not a lot going on here. Coming up higher. Higher here as well. The other thing we could do is, and it's going to be the same thing that's going to happen with Bitcoin that I was telling you guys. If we manage to rally, we're going to get this motion going on here. It's going to be creating that hidden divergence. Now the question is, do we have it here against the RSI? Not against the RSI yet. So hidden divergence against the MACD. Potential for action to downside, maybe sideways motion. Even if we get to the 3,224, we're still going to have this divergence. Going to put pressure on the price. Maybe retrace a little bit before we burst through at 3,324, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, coming up higher. More of that positive momentum. Higher on the RSI. Nothing bearish here from back here. Also nothing bearish here in the short term. We're just consolidating again. The pressure that we're seeing on the price could be from the 4 hour chart. On that note, did we create something bullish? Coming down lower, more negative momentum, slightly higher on the RSI. Yeah, we did create something bullish. Cool. Thank you. Double click it here and say from here to here. And here we're coming down. Oh, sorry, no, we're going up a bit. What? Is that why you didn't draw it last night? Yeah, we're going up a little bit. So we're gonna get rid of this. Say there's nothing bullish, and we're gonna wait. I'm actually gonna read the numbers, man, because it's too tight. Let's see. Opened at 3,048, and here we. Sorry, here we closed at 3,004, and here we opened at 3,007. It's slightly higher. In all fairness, we could just say it's sideways motion, right? because the price is about the same. It's just $3 difference on a $3,000 prize. Like, we're talking peanuts. So if we're saying that's moving sideways, right? We could be saying that we're having this medium bullish divergence, and with that, the possibility for action to the upside, right? I think that's what we're getting right now. Again, moving up, sideways motion right now. There's nothing bearish here, putting pressure. We are sitting bought at 65. That's it. Again, not that bad. Hey, Crypto for you, how's it going? Can I do XRP? Yes. Can I do Harmony? Yes. All right, let's go to XRP first. Sorry, before we do XRP, let's do HNT first. HNT at $32. Again, holding sideways. Not a lot going on here on HNT since we last looked at it. Let's see. All right, cool. Yeah, we did get a slight bounce yesterday, but again, not really doing anything crazy. About the same levels we were at. Trying to undo the previous candle, but not quite there. Starting to move down right now. Again, target of support would be here at $31.91. We'll see if we can keep on recovering. Bitcoin moving to the upside would certainly help alleviate the market. We did create some bullish divergence here in HNT as well on this move here. So let's just target this real quick. Say, yo, bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside against the MACD and the RSI. Neutral at 45.81. Again, with that rally, get above the 20. Very nice. Could back test at 20 and try to speed back up to the upside and go to a 38.72, right? That would be a nice rally. What is going on here on the 1 hour? Lower negative momentum, less negative momentum. That's cool. There we go. What's up, Elon? How's it going, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Here we go, right? Look, bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Starting to move up a bit. So we're starting to move back up. That is fine. High point, a lower point, positive into less positive, and low to high on the RSI. We have some hidden divergence happening here on the RSI. With that, some sideways motion that could be coming into play, and we're trying to get that. Maybe action to the downside, so we might be retesting that 20 moving average at, right now, currently at $32.36. Once we retest, we're going to see if this bullish divergence still takes hold and gets us to rally a little bit more. Right? So let's keep rolling. Let's go do XLM now. Sorry, XRP. XRP at 77 cents. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Remember when it was over $1? It wasn't too long ago that XRP was kissing the dollar mark and rejecting it. So again, with divergence, bearish. Oh no, look at that. All right, so bearish divergence moving down now. Low, lower, low, negative momentum, less negative momentum. Starting to create some of that bullish divergence that we've seen across a couple of projects in the past. So nothing weird when we see this thing happening here on the XRP, right? Look at this, boom, 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 blam, here we go. And also from here to here. Looks strong bullish. Potential fraction to the upside. Got a very nice rally yesterday. 4.07%. Trying to get above that. We are getting above that 76 cent resistance. We also we managed to hold support at 72.57. So again, good areas that we're hitting and we've been hitting. And again, look at this wick. Came down here, found support pump. Here we came down here a couple times, managed to close above that support line. Right now, getting above that 76 cent resistance, 76.33 cent resistance. Not bad. We could be aiming for a 20 moving average at 82.40 if the market wants to keep on going bullish. Neutral at 40.79. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, look, we're still coming lower. No, why market? Why must you go down still? All right, it's creating bullish divergence. Again, strong bullish divergence. Without the possibility for action to the upside, we have it against the MACD and the RSI. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. There we are. Shut up, pump a bit. We are getting above that resistance, like I said, and right now still in the green. So doing okay. Getting above the 20, also very, very nice. Potential expansion of the Bollinger Bands to the upside XRP, and we could be aiming for a run to that 90 cent mark here. Neutral at 56.90, so we can still run up a little bit more. Do we have hidden divergence? Let's see. Let's zoom in here, man. Yep. Coming up higher on that MACD. Started to come lower still here on the price. And again, putting pressure on the price near a resistance level could get us to where we break back down below that area. But again, it could make us go back down to find support there, right? So it's going to be, right now, very important for XRP to determine whether or not it's going to find support. If it finds support and bounces, it's still going to be holding on to its divergence until it gets higher than whatever the opening or the closing here was at 85.92 cents, right? Otherwise, if it puts pressure on the price here, it gets back down below that 76.33. We're looking for a potential retest of 72.57 cents. Those will be targets for XRP on the 4 hour chart. Neutral 56.84. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart again, very nice move to the upside, creating probably bullish divergence here as well. Low, lower low here on the price. And as you can tell by now, we are definitely making a lot less of that negative momentum. and also coming up slightly higher here on the hour side as well. So strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside, starting to get a movement up. Again, struggle briefly here at resistance, like I said, 76.33. Rejected, managed to reject and held there, then gapped up on the opening, and again, it's become a support a couple times. So again, coming back down would not be necessarily weird. Now, we are coming up higher on the price, also higher on the MACD and the hour side, so there's nothing bearish happening right now. Bought at 67.51, and with that, we could be looking maybe for continuation of the upside. There's nothing bearish in the one. The 4 hour again, bearish divergence could put pressure on the price, like we said. And then the daily still clean for takeoff after having bullish divergence, right? Let's go do one, and then we'll do can you do go hunt of crypto? Why do you call it go hunt of crypto? Let me know. Let's do one real quick. Don't we have, here we go. I was like, don't we have a one chart open somewhere? One to the dollar, 30.51. Not bad. Where are we at on the daily? Look. Nothing is, all right, we're just gonna look at this portion here. I don't care about what happened here in the past. I want to see what's happening right now. So let's go here again. Look at this. Bearish divergence strong. With that, the possibility for action to the downside. Oh no, we moved down a bit. Fighting support at 20, trying to bounce. So we need to get above this previous high here at 31.24 cents. Otherwise, it's not going to be doing that hot, right? Need to get above that target. Low to high negative momentum, positive, low to high. There's nothing bullish going on here on this move. So we are just finding that support at the 20, trying to bounce from there. Again, if it manages to go on bullish, trying to get up above that area. Pumping 9.91% yesterday. Not bad, not bad. Right now, still trying to rally 0.82%. Let's go to the one. Sorry, the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, man, this is where things get interesting because we did create some strong bearish divergence here. And this put pressure on the price and made us drop quite strong, right? So again, nice drop happening here on that divergence. Again, coming from a high point to a lower point on the MACD. And also here we have it on the hour side, right? So double divergence, MACD and hour side. So dropping. Now, are we dropping lower? I think we're moving sideways. And what I want to do here is measure. Well, look at the actual number. Double zeros and then 65 negative. Double zeros and then 48. So it's definitely less of that negative momentum going on here. And with that, I'm just going to draw this line like this and say, yo, there is medium bullish divergence without the possibility for a rally. Now, do we have this going on here on the other side? No, we don't. So it's just against the MACD. Medium bullish, getting us to pop. Again, last 4 hour candles, 2 4 hour candles ago. Very nice move, right? That 10 a.m. candle, 7% to the upside. Very nice. Getting above the 20, also very good. Now we are creating some hidden divergence here, and that could put pressure on the price, and that's why we're starting to see the price stall a little bit, right? We're coming here, making more of that positive momentum. Look, we're coming down on the price, right? We're trying to make more of this positive momentum, and that's why we're starting to see the stagnation of the price, struggling on this candle, and starting to see some struggle in this candle as well. We should really be taking off if we're not going to care about it, but again, could get us to move sideways, maybe slightly downwards to a 20 moving average. Right now, currently, it's at 29.10, but again, the 20 moving average is going to be our target whenever we are to meet it, right? Neutral at 56.35. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, oh my God, what are we doing? Well, first things first. We're coming down here. We are creating divergence, although I'm not really liking the way I'm going to draw this one, by the way. I'm letting you know right now because I'm going over a small island here, but it's almost nothingness, so I'm going to ignore these two little dots here of positive momentum. And said that there was strong bullish divergence and with that potential fraction upside. Now, why am I choosing to ignore them? It just could be that the data is off a little bit. It's not a super strong move. We got a rejection of that 20 moving average. Managed to move back down. So I'm not going to consider this a real potential island. It's almost non-existent, right? It's almost like it just stayed at zero. So again, it's not highly visible. So that's why I'm choosing to ignore this small island. Now, you should not ignore data usually. In this case, I think we'll be safe if we do that. Now, shorter term here, again, starting to create some bearish divergence strong. With that, the possibility for a potential movement down, strong bearish divergence. Could be aiming for a movement down. We're starting to get it. 20 moving average would be a target at 29.17 cents. If we manage to hit there, we might be creating some hidden bullish on a quick drop, right? Going low to high, or that negative momentum coming here. And with that, we could be aiming for some hidden divergence and maybe try to rally up again after hitting the 20 moving average. Right, that's it. Let's go. Someone said XLM. All right, excellent. Why is Gohan a disappointment? Are you talking like Dragon Ball reference Gohan, or are you talking about like, White Rise Gohan? Let me know. XLM, we're looking at 26.83 cents. What? Yes. It's not really doing a lot. Am I a fan of BRA and Telco? No. I don't hold any of those. So. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's nothing going on here that is bullish on Stellar. Managed to find support here at the 36 retracement at 23.60 cents. Like I said, not really a lot happening. High point, and lower point, positive, less positive, negative, high, low, and lower still. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, we do have bullish divergence. Strong high like this. We're creating it to here, try to rally, failed, try to rally here, failed, and still have it here. So we just kept on tracking this divergence until we finally created it by going from one island to the next. There we go. Strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside, started to get a pop, getting above the 20 moving average. Nice move. Coming up higher, right on the price and the previous high here. And also going higher on the RSI and the MACD. So nothing bearish. That's pretty good. Again, strong bullish, potential fraction to the upside. Starting to get that moving up. Nice move here, getting above the 20 moving average at 25. And should be aiming for that higher level. I think on the daily, our next target is going to be the 20 moving average at 27.33. Then above there, we could be aiming all the way up here at 36.44 cents. Hopefully we can go there. Let's go to the 1 hour. You know what Gohan Rise is? Gohan Rise is just regular white steamed rice. Like this. This is Gohan. So if you ever been to Japanese restaurants, see Gohan. That's just white rice, steamed white rice called Gohan. Now you know. Low, lower, low, more of that negative momentum, and slightly lower here on the RSI as well. So there's nothing bullish going on here on the movement down. Finding some support, trying to rally low to high, coming up higher. Higher as well. There's nothing bearish in XLM on the 1 hour chart. So overbought at 75.69. It's been rallying nice for the last couple of hour candles, right? Ever since down here at on the 10th at 1 p.m. It's been a very nice rally. How much did they pump on the daily? Pumped 3%, 3.8, and right now pumping another 1.97. It's not bad, not bad. All right, that's it for the Gohan of crypto, I guess. Let's go check out Hot. All right. I think we've seen this before. It's Hollow, and let's go check it. Hollow, where's Hollow at, dude? I remember seeing this project when it was way down here, and I wanted to buy. I should have bought this stupid project way back here. I was looking at this back on beginning of 2019. I was looking at this project, and it was not really moving a lot. It was fractions of a set. I so should have gotten in here. Would have been a very, very nice buy. Mike, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here.
What's up?
Yo, let's keep rolling. All right, cool. Let's see what we have going on here. Again, below support, below that 786, not bad. Points double zeros and then 6 cents, right? So a fraction of a cent, 0.6 cents. That's the target. Coming down lower again. Some bullish divergence developing here, and not bad. We should be looking for some action to the upside, just like everyone else in crypto, creating about the same move, and it's just failing to really take off. It just kind of sucks that it's there. Bought at, sold at 30.47. With that, we should be looking for a move back up to that neutral zone. We also need to get above this target here, like I said, at 6.6 cents, right? 0.63 as a target. So again, above there, 20 moving average at 0.71 cents. Should be looking for that movement up. Hopefully, we're going to get it. Nothing bearish happening here. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, we also have this bullish divergence, right? Look from here to here is one. And then coming all the way down, here's another one. Although we're not anchoring to any negative momentum when we go there, right? We're going to be anchoring to positive momentum. We do want to get a negative momentum island to develop, then create that strong bullish, and then get that rally going on with a lot of strength. But it still works. Still strong bullish, which is still looking for action to the upside. We also have it here against the RSI, right? It's not bad. Neutral at 50.02. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Keith says, seeing the growth in price for Solana over the last year is nuts. Same with Luna. I know. It's crazy. Lower, more negative momentum, then slightly higher here. How's it going, Mike? How you doing, man? Thank you for joining us tonight. Action to the upside, right? High to low, high to low, and low to high. All right, hidden bearish coming into play. Yay for the hidden bearish. Putting pressure on the price. I know, that price, man. What's it going to do? It's going to move sideways. So, again, sideways motion, maybe action to the downside. Could be going for that 20 moving average. 20 moving average is at 0.59 cents, right? 0.59 cents. You can see how this keeps on rolling for the hollow. And I think we're caught up with everything. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Oh no, Bitcoin is starting to go slightly negative. 40,633. Word at, man. Let's get here on daily again. On the daily, had the bullish divergence starting to get a rally. On the other chart, like we've said, hitting support, hitting resistance, right? Key resistance level indeed above 40,996. After that, I think these are going to be minor resistances: 43,923, 45,467, 46,801. That's if we want to go to the upside. Then we're going to have the 20 moving average somewhere in between at 45,823 or whenever it is that we pump to the upside. Rejection of this zone, 40,996, could have this drop back down to 40,997. Or in this chart that we have here, we're looking at 40,626, right, on the movement down. So again, interesting. Bullish divergence, waiting for it to take off, right? Waiting for it to take off. Sold at 34.99. 4-hour chart again. Bearish divergence, strong, starting to develop here slightly. We should be looking for a move down to a 20, hopefully. Find support and pump from there. There's really nothing bullish are going to be developing once we get that going. So neutral at 52.65. And let's go to the 1 hour. And on the 1 hour, like I said, bearish divergence. Moving down. Also sideways motion. It's not bearish divergence. It's medium bearish divergence, I think we're calling. And action to downside. So we're starting to move down slightly. But like I said, we should be aiming for that 20 moving average. Find support and pump from there. We are starting to create slightly negative momentum, although we're pumping on the price, which is crazy, right? Because it's a lagging indicator. We do get to see this happening. We move down. Now we're starting to do some of this pain, I guess. Checking the corn doesn't look good. Yeah, dude, man, it's at a do or die phase, right? It's at an indecision phase. And like I said, we're going to range. You asked me what we're going to do. I said, maybe today we're going to get a move. We haven't gotten a strong move. We did get a move on Tuesday, like I said we would, but we didn't get the strong move that we wanted to, right? We just pumped 2.17%. But if you can see here, since you guys asked me for the price, I said weekend sideways motion, which we pretty much got. Monday we didn't do a lot, even though we dropped, we did recover, managed to close sideways. And then Tuesday, like I said, Monday, Tuesday we're going to get a move. Tuesday we got our move to the upside, but failing to break that 42,996. Damn, that kind of sucks. Now, price target. Y'all remember when you asked me to give target for closing, and we were said we were going to close here, and we were live, and we closed in here? Wasn't that crazy? Who was it? Someone asked, like, can you give me an hour close target? And I was like, yeah, this range here. And someone said, no. Very beautiful hit. All right, that was a pretty cool day. I think it was Friday last week. It's a pretty good day to do that. Right, so can I do ADA? Yeah, I can do ADA. Why not? ADA, $1.19. Oh my God, it's very close to its $1.20 stagnation value. What is it? Stable coin value. Right, so very close to $1.21. Sitting at $1.199, so almost $1.20. Congrats if you're holding ADA. Andrew, I know you got filled somewhere on the dip, so you should be doing okay in your fill. Again, bullish divergence strong, potential fraction to the upside. We get above resistance here at $1.21, and then $1.21.7, and then we should be getting above here at $1.30, almost $1.31. RSI at 41.81. Hopefully, again, we could still manage to go back up a little bit more. We are in the neutral zone, but we could still try to go slightly higher. Nothing bearish overhead for ADA right now. 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, we're getting this break above this target. Beautiful break here yesterday. Starting to come back down, back testing it as support, and look at that, taking off. Remember I told you breaking this line gets us in a short-term bull trend? Breaking that blue line, short-term bull trend. So we're starting to rally again, going for that $1.21. Very nice move here above the 20. I like it. It had strength. Not a lot of volume, but it had strength, which is good. And we're looking at neutral at 43.48. Are we doing something bearish? Yes, hidden bearish divergence. Now, is that going to put pressure on the price? Yes, very likely as well. And this is going to be here against the MACD, right? Even if we go from here, because we do have an island break there, and I was about to ignore it, but even if we go from here, still slightly higher, high to low. If I zoom in, you're going to be able to see that, right? Look, the dotted lines of current price are getting high to low. low to high on the MACD. And with that again, hit bearish, could be moving down maybe to a 20 moving average of $1.16. Would not be a bad target. Test support and then try to bounce back up to $1.27. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, oh, look at this. We were looking for the bearish divergence here, hidden. We still managed to hold on to it. Again, got us to move down a bit. 2 hours later, breaking back down. Oh, look at that. Hitting that 20 moving average, finding support, and then rallying on that. Very nice move there, man. It is solid. Now, what do we have here? Gone slightly higher. Up to here, we're good. And then here on this last bit is where we're starting to create divergence. Strong bearish. Do I like it? Not really, man. Could put pressure on the price, make it break back down. Now, what this tells me is that even if we get up here, we're still going to be making less of that positive momentum. We're going to be looking still for a break back down. It's not going to be pretty, man. Could be painful if we reject with strength at that area. We are sitting bought at 66.92. That's about it for ADA. Not bad, man. Does Coinbase Pro let you use leverage? I'm not sure, man. I don't use Coinbase Pro a lot. I usually to buy. I don't really trade a lot on Coinbase. I usually shift my money somewhere else, Bits or some other place. I hate a lot of the trading houses, to be honest. The volume seems to be rubbish when you want to get into a position. If you didn't set up prior, even when you set up prior, sometimes you get skipped over by the bots. It's just crazy, particularly when there's strong moves in the market. So I don't like some of this trading houses. And when you set up a stop loss, it always seems to be hit, right? So. But yeah, sometimes when you want to sell, it seems like you're chasing. You put a price, and then like 6 or 7 bots will just form immediately in front of you, right? And they just so you shift it again, and then like those same bots would just change their position still lower. It seems like they're on a rush to sell more than you want to sell, right? So that you buy at market to sell at market. Sometimes it just seems like they want to do that because they want to get the taker fees instead of you having to do the maker fees. But if you wait, sometimes the orders do get filled, right? Andrew says, all I use it for is an off-ramp. Nice. Doesn't Elon, but fees are much better. All right, cool. Let's get back to the chat. Just chatting. What is going on, people? All right, I think I'm caught up with the chat. Ooh, Rex, what's up, dude? Linky? Right, let's do link to link. Let's get to the chat first, because then you're not able to see what's going on, but... The link. Where's the link at? Alright, link at $26.68. Let's get on the daily, man. Struggling a bit. Breaking below. Fever retracement. Oh no! $27.06. Alright, cool. Not the end of the war. Moving down a bit. Not too bad yet of a move. Looking okay again. Here we're looking for a cowboy to handle. We never quite got higher than the lip formation. Not bad. Again, dropping here. This cupping handle never played. I'm just gonna get rid of it. This is cluttering the chart. All right, cool. It's Jedi. What's up, dude? Actually, the upside again. Nice move here. Coming up higher. More of this positive momentum. Are we doing more positive momentum? Nah. Looks as though we're moving sideways. 77.24, 77.54. Yeah, slightly higher. We're just gonna say it's sideways motion, and we're coming up higher. So on that note, we are creating some of that weak bearish divergence for potential moving down. That's okay. Weak bearish divergence moving to the downside. It has been decreed. There we go. So we could start moving down a bit. We're starting to get some of that movement. Hopefully, we back tested already this area. So hopefully we can hold. Otherwise, it's dropped to a 20 moving average of $23.48. We are sitting bought at 61.82. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour, where are we? Again, on the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence. We were looking for that bearish divergence yesterday as we were live. Look, we did manage to drop by the candle closing, so we no longer have it. But again, it's one of those things because we had to kind of put pressure on the price, move this down. We have it against the RSI here. We're going to still putting pressure on the price. Neutral at 50.70 again, moving down, but not a lot. Below the 20, don't like that. Again, retesting a couple times. This area as resistance, $27.15. We really need to get above it. Otherwise, still going to be pain. Right now, it's a double resistance because the 20 moving average happens to be sitting there also. A rejection of this zone could be dropping to that $25 mark, $25.57. Not a bad target. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour. Oh, look, we're looking for the bearish divergence. Remember I said if we drop, we're no longer going to have it? We drop, so we no longer have it, right? But again, we're looking for that bearish divergence. Did move down, though. Low, high, negative momentum. Less of that negative momentum in here. Also low, slightly higher. So there's nothing bullish, nothing bearish. All we're getting is sideways motion, just consolidation. And that is it for Link. All right, let's go check something else. Dude, there was a coin that we're looking at. Was it Soul? Soul. Had a nice cup with handle. I want to see how that's doing. Soul on the daily, I think we had it. Yeah, on the daily. Look, cup with handle still being there, man. Still trying to hold. I'm not gonna do the analysis for it. Still looking for the same cup with handle to come into play. Hopefully, get that rally going on. Burst through this lip line here, and then look for targets to the upside. Already said, right? $4.44, and then up here around $5.28 or so. Right on. So up next, what are we gonna do, man? What are we gonna look at? What else have you guys request? All right, accepting the risk involved in Calid DAX. What? Silica? Sure. Silica. All right, at 6 cents. 6 cents, right? 6.08. Silica doing anything interesting? Coming up higher, dude. 00228. 0014. All right. Less that negative. Coming up higher here in the short term. Nah, I'm not gonna go for anything bullish right now. There's really not a lot going on here in daily that is bullish or bearish. We are trying to go for a rally apparently. So if we do pump, we're gonna be looking for $6 cents. 6.57 cents, right? Sold at 38.31. Again, part of the reason that we could be looking for some action to the upside is so we can come back up to a neutral zone before we get our next move. 4 hour chart. Do we have bullish divergence strong? Yes, we do. Hello, bullish divergence. I seen you. I spot you. I know where you're at. Look, strong bullish. Not bad. Again, potential for action to the upside. Neutral. At 45.71, again, with that potential fraction upside. Starting to get that rally. Hitting the 20, struggling with it right now. Still trying to stay above it, but barely. So we do move down again, target of the 20. 6.06 cents right now. 6.08. Yay. Neutral, 45.71. On the R side, that means we could go either way. Nothing bearish happening right now, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, oh no, I fear we have bearish divergence. Ooh, look at that. Strong bearish, putting pressure on the price. Could get us to break back down. And yes, it is strong bearish. So I'm starting to move down right now on this hour, trying to look a little bit green, just like Bitcoin. But no moving down, we could be targeting 6.02 cents. That'll be a target for this, right? Silica. FTM on fire past 8 hours. Is it really? Let's check it real quick. FTM, $2.68, 3% to the upside. I think there's coins that are doing better. Did pump quite a bit yesterday. All right, 16%. All right, might be doing a lot better than other coins. Had the bearish divergence, had a resistance, pull back down, hitting support at apparently what seems to be the 2618. Is that 618? Yeah, 2618. All right, cool. And not a bad move. Nothing bullish going on. Neutral at 59.20. What we're gonna have here is gonna be in the shorter time scale. It has to be in the shorter time scales. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Yes, look at this. We're dropping here. I'm going to bet right now that we're going to have probably bullish divergence. I think we're going to have that bullish divergence. It just looks like we're going to have bullish divergence. And we do. I just confirmed it by looking here and saying negative momentum, less negative momentum, and low on their side to a higher point. It just looked like an area where we could have divergence. Sometimes, when you do this a lot, even before this loads, you can guess very closely whether or not you have divergence. But yes. Bullish divergence section to the upside, getting a nice rally. Consider this to be a double bottom with strong bullish. Trying to get that very, very nice rally. Bring that neckline already. Not looking that bad on the move. Now, are we making more positive momentum than back here? 0.039605. Right. So we are definitely coming up higher here on the MACD, but coming much lower on the price, right? So with that, we could be creating. No, it could be. We are creating some hidden divergence, hidden bullish, hidden bearish. Jeez, I'm getting tongue twisted. Hidden bearish divergence, we had the possibility for moving down. That movement could target the 20 moving average at $2.37. Bought at 61.03. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Look at this. The 1 hour chart. Coming up slightly higher here. I think we're gonna have that. Yeah. Aha. Someday I'm gonna I'm gonna be jumping these things. I'm gonna get it wrong because I was like drawing it before we started, and yes, here we go. Like strong bearish. Yeah, there we are. Strong bearish divergence. It's starting to develop. We still have 12 minutes to go before this candle is confirmed. But again, it looks like though we're starting to develop the strong bearish divergence. We know we have it confirmed up to this candle right when we're coming up higher, and we're still coming down lower. So this candle will just be adding on to that divergence, and with that the possibility for action to downside. We're gonna get exhausted. Could be looking for a movement down, maybe retest that 20 moving average whenever we meet it. Right now it just happens to be sitting at $2.49. We're bought at 75.74. Again, nothing bearish on the RSI. Right. KSM. Right. Cool. Kasama. All right, $277.40. Let's check it. Let's check it. On the daily, look support. Ha! Don't you love it when your fibs work? At the 618, not bad. We also happen to have support there at 124. So yeah, support bouncing, going for a 20. Good area. We should be aiming for the 50% retrace at $285.86. Hopefully, we get that hit and then get above it, and then we'll see where we go. But right now, we're struggling with the 20. Creating some strong bullish divergence back here, by the way. Coming down lower, right? And look at this. Ooh, looky here. Bullish divergence strong. Don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD neutral at 49.42. Let's go to the 1 hour forward chart. And then lower. What's it we doing? What's it we doing, man? What's it we doing here? Again, I'm trying to be ahead of time. Without looking, I feel like I'm going to autopilot for some of these drawings. Bullish ever has strong potential for action depth. Let's check it pop, right? Now, as you can tell, we're coming from a high point here to a lower point, and again from a lower point here to a higher point, again creating some of that hit divergence. With hit divergence, we know we could get potential action to downside. Maybe sideways motion. Again, we're getting a very, very nice strong move right now, 6.35%. Could start to put pressure on the price for Kusama, right? Even if we get up here to this resistance at the 50% retrace, we could still be getting that resistance to come into play. Try to get us to stagnate. So again, that target's gonna be at 285.44. Bought at 68.10. Again, with that possibility for moving down. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, we're coming up higher. We're not gonna have divergence. At least I don't think we're gonna have it, because we're just going up with so much strength. That's gonna be weird if we are targeting a lower area. See what I'm telling you guys? Coming up higher here on the MACD on the RSI. Overbought at overbought at 83.95. And with that, again, it's just we're overbought. We can start flagging, maybe try to go back up again. Fail, right? It wouldn't be bad if we did this motion here. What do I mean by this motion? Look, we flag a little bit, right? Cool off here a bit, cool off here a bit. Then we go for another pump. It's gonna lose strength, and we're gonna have creating here is gonna be strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, because that pump's not gonna get as high as this period's high, right? And then with that, we could be looking for a potential moving down afterwards, where we just start to go like that. Not with a lot of strength, but you know, potential for action to downside after we develop that bearish divergence. That's a move I'll be looking for here at Kusama, maybe happening, right? Something like that. It wouldn't be weird. There's no reason for us to do a U-turn here. There's no bearish divergence in the 1 hour. So for the 1 hour, something like that wouldn't be weird. It didn't have to be an exaggerated move, just a small dip, a rally, and then immediately create some bearish divergence. Put pressure on the price, right? Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Awesome night. Back to the corn. It is. Because the Bitcoin is tasty. 8 minutes to go on the candle, man. 40,627. Dudes, I am hoping that we get another hit of that 40,196. Otherwise, it's not gonna be pretty. We're doing a good flag for another run to the upside, right? Make another leg. So us pumping here, right? Create that divergence, right? And then maybe talk about action to downside. But for now, The 1 hour should be a clean go for another rally. I know there's pressure from the 4 hour. Right. I know there's pressure from the 4 hour on this here chart. Then, yeah, we had divergence strong, right? Strong bearish against the MACD, or even medium bearish against the MACD. But that flag, that popping that we could get, right? What's going to happen here if we get that pop, right? This divergence is going to be gone. This divergence is going to be gone, right? What we're looking at is this move here, and then this move here, higher, right? The line will be continuing higher, and then this line will be coming down to that higher point. So that's what I will be looking at here for Bitcoin, right? That will be the move I'll be expecting to see. Maybe another pop again, start to create that divergence, hit divergence, lose the strong bearish, and hopefully continue running to the upside, right? We do have strong bearish. Is going to put pressure on the price for sure. But negating it and pumping from here will be very, very nice. Because we no longer have that strong bearish divergence. We just have the hidden divergence. We're going to see how strong that hidden divergence is going to be against the strong bullish divergence that we had back here, right? So, yeah, that's why it'll be an interesting move. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. If you're enjoying the night and the content that we're providing, hit 1. If you don't like the content, hit 2. Also, are you guys taking trades today? Let me know. Type 1 if you're hitting trades. Type 2 if you're standing still and not really taking trades until you see where the market wants to go, right? I know Andrew said he added to ADA, so that's pretty good. I know he's taking positions. So let me know, guys. Let me know how you guys are trading, what you guys are doing. Is your money safe in the wallet, or are you buying stuff? Andrew says 1. Michael says 1. Andrew's just another 1. So Andrew says double 1s. That's pretty good, Andrew. Right on. Not bad. Not bad. People taking trades. It's pretty good. Let's keep rolling. Are we missing something? Are we missing something? Want to see where LQ goes over the next week? Interesting. Philip also says he's taking trades. Any updates on the Vegas trip? Ooh, there was an update on the Vegas trip. All right. Right, there's updates on the Vegas trip. Prepare for war. I think you're here, man. I just haven't seen you type a lot. What is a player card? I will assist everyone with getting players cards. What do they do? Are they like just think like regular playing cards? Or you said players cards. I'm not sure what players cards are. Alright, are they gonna give us like a gaffe that says like, oh, you're a gambler? Something like that, I'm not sure. Starting to get some of the bottom part of the coffee. Yeah. Took 7 trades today and 5 run ING in December. Early. All right, cool, man. Awesome, Phil. Let's see you doing. I hope you're doing okay with some of your trades, particularly if you're shorted. All right, let's see what else we happen. What else we happening? What else be happening here on the crypto? 40,997. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here on this hard chart and see what we're doing here. Yeah, struggling about to still go negative again. A flag information. Hopefully we can get some right to the upside. 3 minutes to go. Flip says, I got sushi at 505. It's good, man. I think you overpaid for sushi at $5 and a couple of cents. Sushi should be a lot less expensive. They robbed you for your sushi. Overpriced sushi, man. It's just a small piece of fish and rice. Dude, can you not play online poker on Poker Stars? That's gas station sushi price where you're from. Legally, no. All right. We should find a online that is like not like, you know, where you play for fun poker, and we should do it like a poker night on the stream. We can all just like, you know, play online, maybe on a Friday or Saturday night. That wouldn't be bad. All right. Right, $1. A minute and 36 seconds to go for this one candle to close. Oh my goodness, where are we gonna go for Bitcoin? Yo, guys, what else? What have you guys been doing over the last couple times? Andrew, how's your interviews, man? Let me know. Are you still being interviewed for the job? Did you pass the next round? I think you said you passed the next round, but when is the next round, right? When is the next round? Sorry, checking something out here. World Series of Poker, maybe? Yeah, it wouldn't be bad. Yeah, I should play Hold'em. Blackjack sometimes. I don't really like to gamble when I go to Vegas. I'd rather go to shows and things like that. But, you know, yeah. I play, yeah, Hold'em and Blackjack. Thursday will be my 10th with CFA. Also, third round for another company this week. Jesus. 10th interview? Is that for reals? Is that how many rounds there are on interviews? Run for Wars back. What's up, dude? I was asking you what players' cards are. You put it on the Discord. I wasn't sure what players' cards are. So I'm gonna hook you guys up with players' cards. Are they gonna, like, you know, labels as players? Yo, player, man. Sorry, I had to drive somewhere else. Awesome, dude. Thursday, 10th interview, man. 10th interview. That's insane. Jeez, I never been to any process that has more than tops was 3 interviews. That's it. 10 rounds of interview just seems like insanity and a waste of everyone's time, particularly company resources. Guys, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord, right? Awesome things happen. Like the Vegas trip planning. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. So I wasn't misreading it, and you were gonna say playing cards. You know who goes up with playing cards? So I was like, okay, cool. I can do with a deck of playing cards. And are you applying for CEO or something like that? Chick-fil-A corporate. Yeah, sounds like it, right? Yeah. All right, we've closed the hour. Still waiting for that movement to the upside. I haven't played. I used to carry a deck of playing cards with me all the time. A while back. No longer do I do that. Are you applying for CEO of Chick-fil-A? Oh, someone said CEO and you said yes. I wasn't sure. No, I think it was Elon that said you're applying for CEO. Oh, feels like it. Right. Yeah, I think even where I'm at, I got interviewed by people here in Mexico. I got interviewed by people from Switzerland. And then the managing director of Mexico, that's it. I didn't have to go much higher, dude. So it was super crazy. But good stuff, though. Again, guys, we're going to be calling it a stream for tonight. We had fun. I had fun being here. Right. So, we should have a poker night for fun on Discord. Obviously, no money being involved. And where we just play, for, game chips or whatever. So that'll be fun to do. We could set it up, hopefully, for a Friday. Maybe. Friday or Saturday stream. I think it'll be good. Guys, again, if you enjoy the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on Discord. Links have gone out. Pinned at the top of the chat here on YouTube. And on Twitch, they've gone out already. So, yeah, remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't turn based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, guys, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.